Habakran hakajilang balawan simentarik pai patra jalana baro spotili ki district Menteri lang ba ula pun pa jing smokeman ke bakrau bala penlong ya kan ni kan need fest namar kedon ya ke benta ke bakrau bat ke ba ke jala si benta ke nuksa ke babha ban ba mi jing bam ki bala bante ya ke met bat ban koi ban kya dah kan ni ko kom kan ai men sim ru ya sibon ki pai nong rap ke jala ulo ong ru ba ka ifat leng ba kan nelkom ka ai ke jing kamen ru ik pai ba nong rap ba ken peteng mat peniar hikam ki jong ki ha krep keryang Kiwei di ki kenram ki landan ki blapoi hakani kasi ki kenthop yo sikedas ubade dukot ka ni si Shillong uba PBO warji chief secretary Megalea uram moiwa ubade secretary NEC but chairman jong kanerkom harnkat ki pai ba ki simenta hakan need fest arjar khatsan.
The most important section of the population, people who constitute the majority of the population, people who takes care of our requirements of food, nutrition, and who are crucial for ensuring sustainability of development. If our approach of developmental agendas as we roll out them do not take care of this majority of the population, then we are not getting things right. Therefore, this program is so important. I would like to congratulate the NARCOM for having moved from the NARCOM 1 to NARCOM 2, now to NARCOM 3.